This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the blazer's care label so you choose a safe method. Once you know it's washable, blot the spill, press don't rub to lift surface material. Next, mix a mild detergent solution, 1 TSB detergent in 1 cup cool water. Test on an inside seam to ensure no color loss. If safe, apply solution to the stain edge first to prevent spreading. Make sure to keep motion gentle. You want lifting, not grinding the stain deeper into fibers. Once the surface lift starts, switch to deeper treatment. You should use an enzyme remover for protein stains, like food or sweat, because enzymes break molecules apart, versus solvents that dissolve oils. For oil or grease, apply a small amount of solvent or dish soap. Let it sit for 5–10 minutes. Then gently agitate with a soft brush, always moving from edges inward to contain the spot. After treatment, rinse with cool water to remove residues and prevent dye migration or setting. You finish by blotting excess moisture and letting the blazer air dry flat. Do not use heat until the stain is fully gone because heat can set residual stain. If a faint mark remains, repeat the targeted treatment once more, enzymes or solvent, then let it air dry again. If the stain persists, take the blazer to a professional dry cleaner and point out the treatments you tried. One key troubleshooting tip: if colors run or fabric weakens, stop home treatment immediately and consult a pro to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.